So welcome back, guys. We're still on our simple business card in Adobe Photoshop. This is very interesting training, right? So let me press Control down and plus to zoom out the entire Photoshop canvas. Okay, so it's make it very much convenient for us to align our stuff. Okay, so we need to align this text phone number with the mobile icon. So we have to locate the layer. So having located the layer, then we make sure that we press down Control key and select our phone icon. Then we go to the Home tab and make sure that we select Align Vertical. Very good. So it has been aligned. If you can see it very clear on the screen here. So we have to group these two together so that we know that this is our call icon. All you have to do is to press Ctrl J on your keyboard, then it's group. Then we can double click the group thumbnail and change this to telephone. Then we press enter. So we are done with this. So we have to look for this layer also. This is another layer. So we have to change this phone number to email address. So we have to go to our tools bar again and select text tools. Then we make another type, Ctrl A, then email address. Then we press enter key to return. I'm going to replace it in 2 times. So I'll press Ctrl A. Then I'll go to the Home tab and change the text format to right align text. So I can select my move tools now, and I will drag. Okay, so we have to go back to our element, design element. Then we look for the web icon. So I'm going to use this type of web icon. Okay, so I can drag it and take it to my design. So I'll go to edit, free transform. So you can press shift key and alternative, then drag. Okay. Then I'll go back to the Home tab here and click on this check mark. This simply means that I'm trying to accept it. So we can drag and position it here. So if you look at the size of the web icon and phone icon, it's very much smaller. So I can press Ctrl T again to open my transform tools, shift key and alternative key and drag to make sure that this is almost the same size with the call icon. So I think I'm good with this. So we can come to the web icon layer thumbnail and double click on it. So we can pick this color now and click on OK. Now we need to work on the alignment. So we have to press down, come to the layer panel here. So this is the mail layer. We press down shift key and select the mail layer. So we go back to our home tab at this point here. We make sure that we select align vertical center. So it's going to align. Now we are done with this. So let's move to the next one here, which is the place where we are going to type the address. So we go back to our text tools and type the address. So office address here. Then comma and enter. Nigeria, comma 23401, then full stop. So we can press Ctrl A to highlight. So I'll go to the home tab now. I'll change the format. And I'll click on this. So I can drag it back. Okay, so I need icon for this also. This will be office. Office. Okay, and the first letter should be capital. Okay, so I'll go back to the graphic element layer. So I will look for my location icon. Okay, this is my location icon. So I'll take it up to the design. I don't know why it's not moving. Let me take it back. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, so Ctrl T to open the transform tools, then shift key and alternative key and dragging just to resize the location icon. Then enter key on our keyboard, then I can take it to this layer here. Very good. Then double click the layer thumbnail again, and I'll select the green color here and click on OK. So I have to press Shift key now and select the address. Then I'll go to the Home tab and select my vertical alignment center. So everything has been aligned. Then I'll press Ctrl plus 0 to zoom out, to zoom in the entire canvas. Then Ctrl plus minus to zoom in, Ctrl minus to zoom in. So I want to see if our design has been properly aligned and very much neat. So you can see here that we have the gap here is not the same from the text. So we can still move this to the top since we have more space at the top. So we can select this layer. Then this can follow. So it will still maintain the same size. So the size between them is okay, 17.73. Okay, so I'll take this also. No, it will be 17. Okay. Seventeen. So we need to maintain the size. That's what I'm trying to locate. 17. Okay. So now we can take this back. And it will align automatically. Then we take this also. We also align. Then we take this also. Okay, the same gap now, but we need to make sure that this is aligned. Shift key and select the address. Then we select this. Very good. So mail. Then we look for the mail shape. Okay. Shift key and select the shape. Then align. Then phone icon. Shift key and the telephone number. Then align. Perfect. Everything has been perfectly okay. So we need to look for, this is where we are going to put the company name and the logo. So I will go back to my text tools again. Then I will make another type. So the text is going to be at the top of this layer. So this is not the right place to put the text. So we have to look for the layer. So from this point here, we need to click on the last layer here. Then we make a new layer. That is when we can now type. So Excel, graphics, enter, and multimedia. Now I press Ctrl A to highlight. Then I can increase the font size. Let me see, 18. It's too much. Let me see, 12. Okay. Then I will change the font size type to bold. I will come here and change the format to align left. Then I will change the color from this point here. I need white. Very good. Then I will select the below text. I will change the font style here. I will change it to light. Then I'll click the move tools here. Done. Then I'll go to my home tab again. I'll go to select all. Then I will try to align to the vertical center. Then I will go back to select. I will choose the select. So beautiful. This is how you make simple business card in Adobe Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, please stay tuned for the second side of the business card in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.